Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Install Poke Genie from your device app store and open the app to start. Grant screenshot permission and accessibility scanning to allow fast RAID reads. Go to Settings and enable RAID scanning and auto-select language for accurate parsing. Choose measurement units and Roman for appraisal style you prefer for consistency. Enable optional location access or prepare to enter gyms manually. Confirm notifications and update any in-app dictionaries for local RAID names. Open the RAID menu and choose Screenshot or Live Scan depending on preference. Capture the RAID lobby or the encounter screen for best parsing results. Poke Genie will read the boss name, CP range, and show estimated Roman 4 stars. Select whether boost and raid level to refine moveset and CP calculations. Choose the number of players expected to display realistic counter difficulty. Adjust appraisal settings if you want exact Roman 4 percentages shown. Tap best counters to reveal top recommended Pokémon ranked by damage per second. Review each counter's fast and charged moves, energy costs, and survivability before selection. Prioritize counters with effective types and strong moves such as Tyranitar or Mutwo when appropriate. Use the filter to limit results to your own Pokémon or specific CP ranges. Assemble a 6-Pokémon party and optionally export the team to chat or clipboard. Confirm movesets and adjust for available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.